니오. I just forgot that I muted myself. But yeah, just in case, the reason why I say there is no background music today, like if you look at the top right corner, like I said none, there is like nada. That is because after all this time, I've been doing. So there we go. This is what we will be working on today. And just in case, when I like first building this thing up, I didn't stream. So we are going to like quickly go through what is happening under the hood, and then let's see if we can like finish the roadmap. And then if everything is done, well, actually this thing is available on our team's website. So let's quickly take a look at that, shall we? By the way, Google has this Google Doodle for Thanksgiving. I have no idea what they're thinking about, but that's the thing we have right now. Alright, so in order to get to the stuff that we're going to make today, you go to art, and then you go to you click on the right hand side, like there's a button over here on the right, or you can just click on this second button over here. Click on it. You go to any of the buttons. Let's say I go to voice whatsoever. Okay, you can also click on SoundCloud, or you can click on any other stuff, like no matter. Once you are here, you scroll down. Scroll down to the very bottom of it. Over here you can see keyboard. Click on it. Come down over here, and you can still play the same thing. Oh yeah, I forgot. Every time when you want it to work, press equal on your keyboard. That is how you start it. Like for example, I've set it over here. Yep, you need this in order to start the whole thing. Also, be careful. If your volume is 1, it means that it's like full blast. So you just go, you use either comma or full stop in order to adjust it. Like most of the time, I would just go for like 0.25, which is something like a quarter, and then so yeah, we have that on our team's website, so you can have fun with it. Just remember to start, press the equal sign, and then adjust the volume, and then you should be good to go. Alright, so just in case, if we go back to the thing that we were coding, whoop, this one, what I'm going to do is to just follow the roadmap of the day. So let's see if I can open up a let's see, Visual Studio Code. There we go. Boop. And then that should be good. There we go. So just to quickly go through what we have here. First, the styles. We have 3 classes: center container, center row, and rectangle, which is the yellow thingy you see it in the middle. And then of course we have some blank ones, which are these over here. So we have that. And then set up all the rectangles having their ID, and then yeah, some of the text and all that stuff. Here are all the characters we have. Now this one over here is get all the rectangles we have, and then yeah, printing the stuff. So put them in an array, so afterwards we can access it easily. The next thing is we need to generate a whole bunch of oscillators, and that is what was like making the sound or whatsoever. And then afterwards each oscillator will have their own audio contacts. Because if I only have one audio contacts, it will not work with chords. So we have that. And then the next thing is volume control. Now, for now, I'm just gonna put all of them inside an array, and then yeah, these are all the frequencies in a single octave, plus a few more notes. But yeah, just to expand the keyboard. And then afterwards, that should be good. Over here, we have when you press down the key, do this. When you lift up a key, do that. And then set the volume, set the type, which is the oscillator type, which is sine, triangle, sawtooth, and square. What else? Also, we can do set it to like 0 or whatsoever. But I would say this is actually how, like when we lift off the key, we are actually forcing the frequency to be 0, but I don't think that is exactly a really good idea. So I'm thinking maybe we need to switch that up a bit, and that's actually what we're going to do today. And then yeah, a whole bunch of stuff. And then the event listener, yeah, just to see, hey, if any keys are pressed or released, and then if so, do something. Alright, so we have quickly gone through all the stuff that I did not stream. So there we have it. Now let's see. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Let's see. Joop, joop. There we go. And then whoop, whoop, whoop. Event listener, don't need that at the moment. Alright. First thing first, on the what was it? Roadmap is to make them cornered. So what I can do is I'll just come over here and then I just do, can I do border corner? Border corner. Huh. No. Because I want it to be like round corner. Where was it? Huh. Well, you know, boop. I remember W3 school has that. So SCSS, round corner. There we go. That's always helpful. So we'll just come over here. Yep, that's the one. Border radius. Oh, that's what it's called. Okay. So that's all. Border radius. For now, let's go with 25. Let's see how that looks. So once we have that, let's come back up over here. Refresh. There we go, rounded corners. Borderline might be a little bit too thin, so I'm thinking about 5. Hit save. Coming back over here. Refresh. That's not what I meant. One px. Huh, I wasn't expecting that. There we go. Hit save. Going back over here. Refresh. There we go. So, there we go. Perfect. That looks way better now, I would say. Let's see. The next thing is when we when we release the key, instead of like setting the frequency as 0, I would say setting the gain as 0 would be a good idea instead. And then afterwards, we can just like apply ADSR on that thing. So let's go with that. So event in string, that is from the event object, that is the rectangle audio context oscillator. In this case, it's not the oscillator. In this case, it's the gain. So over here, by the way, volume, where do I set that again? Key down over here. Oh, there we go. If key down set vol. Okay, that's what we need. Yep, there we go. Excuse me. So over here, we can say in again. Wait. In this case, I'm just going to take one gain node from any of them just to see what is the part I can access. So over here, I'm just going to say volume, which in this case is actually gain. And I can say set value at time. Or I can say set target, right? Oh wait, no. I remember. It should be something like an ADS or stuff. Okay, let me take a look at the documentations, because I remember that audio context oscillators has this like ADSR mimic thing. So let's go with audio context oscillator ADSR. There we go. Let's see if anyone worked on that before. If no, oh, yep, MDN stuff. That is the thing I was looking at a while ago. Yep, we have this. So this one is from MDM themselves, who is the one who came up with the audio context and all that stuff. Let's see. Attack time. There we go. Huh. There we go. Gain. Linear ramp to value. Alright, that's what we need. That's what we need. Linear ramp. It kind of sounds like a lerp going on. So yeah. So let's go linear ramp to value. There we go. That's more like it. So in this case, this also means that we need, okay, there we go. Over here, I'm going to say let gain attack. For now, let's go with 0 0.5 just to see the effect. And then over here, let's go gain release. For now, let's not care about sustain and decay at this point. Let's just go easy on ourselves for now. Also 0.5. So let's hit save. Whoops, no. Okay, now there we go. Hit save. There we go. Okay. Now, let's see. So over here, we can say, what do we need? Value. And then the end time. Oh, okay. So when we press our key, so that is our gain vol, and then time should be in audio context dot current time plus our attack time. So it's gain attack. There we go. So that's what we need, and then all we need to do is just come in over here, and then instead of in OSC, it is now in gain or gain. That should work. And then we'll just like copy and cut this thing, paste it over here, and then we're good to go. So that's for when the key is pressed. Now now we just need to focus on when the key is released, which is almost the same thing over here. Control C, paste it over here, and then instead of gain vol, let's just have 0, and then gain we'll just have release. Whoop, there we go. So that's what we have right now. Let's remove this thing. Also, just need to like make sure that we're doing things right. So oscillator, where was it? Okay, let's just see if this thing works. So let's hit save, and then minimize, go back to Chrome. There we go. Whoop, refresh. Now at this point, I'm gonna just like go down to 0.25. Oh, that did not work. Why it did not work? Huh. Time to pull out the console. Like this is where the annoying part begins, like when things start not to work. If key down set none, in GAN is not defined. Let's take a look. So I'm thinking it's over here. Oh yeah, that explains it. If key down, this. Okay, instead of that, it should be this. And then for key up, it's right here. So OSC should be now GAN. There we go. Nope, there we go. Hit save. Alright, good. When we come back over here, refreshed. Okay, there we go. That's ready. Also, I would like to go down a few volume. Oh yeah. Okay, just in case for safety, this might blast your ears. So turn down the volume a little bit, but when I say it's safe, turn it back up. Oh, and that did not work. Okay, let's see, what's this? If key down, set none. What is that for again? Let's see. If key down, set none. Um, string, object, oh, OSC, there we go. GAN. That's more like it. Hit save. So when we come down over here, yep, that's more like it. Hit save. Alright, going back to Chrome. Refresh. Hit equal just to set things up. Okay, very good. Going back to 0.25. Huh, that did not work. Well, it did light up. Did light up, and it did not give any errors. Yeah, this one has been set up. Okay. I wish I can like collapse these. Huh. Frec sem. Oh, that's a semitone. Okay. Give again. Wait, why do we need frec over here? We don't need that. Yeah, at this point they should look alike. Okay. So over here, in GAN. Okay, we do not need that. There we go. And then the same goes for this one as well. Alright. Let me collapse all of those. For now, we just need to focus on this. If key down set vol, which is this one. Huh. Hmm. Uh. Hmm. Okay, I would say we do not need this at the moment, I guess. Because typically saying now it becomes like every time when we press the key, it just sets the volume. So, so we don't need that anymore. And then we don't need this anymore. Alright, hit save. Going back to Chrome, restart, equal sign. There we go. Oh no. Hmm. You know, time to ask help from ChatGPT. This is unsolvable at this point. Let's see. Whoop. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. If we were to come back over here. Yep. There we go. Alright, Control A, Control C, and then just say something like, now when a key is pressed or released, it is now adjusting the volume of the gain node instead. However, now it does not play any sound. How to fix it? And then paste the code. Boom. Let's see what it says. Frequency are set to 0 in the initialization phase. Huh. So this means that let's take a look. So every time when we start up, okay, let's do it this way. Every time when we press the equal sign, oh, setup, we have that. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Ah, there we go. Square frequency 0. Nah. Let's just say this. Okay, so let's just remove the 0. There we go. Hit save. And then we'll just come back over here, come back over here, and wait for it. Do a refresh. And then now, okay, everything looks good. Equal sign. Nothing. Equal sign again. Oh no. Ah! Holy the best jump scare as a developer. God damn it. Oh, that's what I meant. That's what I meant way earlier. God damn it. Okay. Oh Lord. At least now we have sound. So Okay. So oscillator frec. Um, let's also say that let's turn down every gain we have. So I can say do the same thing over here, Control C, and then Control V, and then over here, because resume is asynchronous, let's just do over here gain all, and then let's just say gain, and then let's just go with set value at time. So now it becomes 0, and then start time is actually audio context all dot current time. So there we have it. Alright, hit save. Alright, not quite sure, will this break? Let's see, hit save. Oh wait, no. Let me turn down the volume first, and then set up the frequency or whatsoever. So Control C, Control V. There we go. Hit save. Going back to this. Alright, let's see. Equal sign. There we go. Okay, too loud. I forgot that. Huh. Um. Okay, that did not exactly work. Alright, let's take a look. So at least this one got it right. Now is this thing over here. Get involved and then give an audio context. And again attack and release. Linear ramp to value at time. Huh. I would say another thing that we can help visualize is what I would call a bar. I've been like thinking about that. So let's see. So over here, let's call this thing dot bar, because this is over there just to show what is the current gain volume of that audio context right there. So over here, I can say width. This time I'm gonna do a 50 px. The height, I don't know, let's say 200, I don't know for now. Background color, for now let's go with FF, and then let's go with, is it CC? And then 00. Yeah, that's more like it. These should be all the same. and then there should be nothing inside, so it should be good. Dot bar, there we go, so we have that. Now center row. Okay, let's just copy this whole thing. Or wait, no, let's copy this whole thing, paste it over here. Then this means that they only should share the same row in this case. Now we just need to like, oh boy. Okay, over here I'm gonna just say div, and then ID is bar starting from A. Oh wait, there we go. Let's go with class bar. There we go. No span, no nothing, just a div. And then that should be good. So now I can just like remove all of these because we don't need that. Oh boy, why did I copy it at the beginning? I don't know. Okay, let's just hit save and then see if it jumps out right. And it's lagging. There we go. Oh boy. Come back over here, restart. There we go, that's more like it. Now, if we come back over here, radius, 25 might be a little bit too much. Let's go with a 5. So let's hit save on that one. And then we can just like duplicate this thing. And if I remember correctly, there should be 16 of them. So there we go. A, W, S, E, D. So that's the first 5 notes. And then the next thing is F, T, G, Y, H, U, and then J. So that's the octave. The next thing is K, O, L, P. And then we also need P. Afterwards it's semicolon. The next thing is quotation mark. There we go. 12 plus 6. Oh, that's 18, not 16. Ah, okay. Okay. So let's hit save. And then let's go with this. Huh. Oh, seems like they do not like the number 5. Let's go with 10. Hit save. Coming back over here. Oh boy, I can barely see the corners. Alright, fine. Let's stick with 20. Hit save. Coming back over here. Whoop. There we go. That's more rounded. Now, so the next thing is we need a interval thing going on. So there we go. Let's go with set interval, and then let's go with function with nothing in there, and then do the following. Do it for every let's say 1 tick. There we go. So meaning every time do that. So basically it's just for loop. So for, oh boy, not for int. Oh boy, I've been sticking with C++ for a long time. Alright, for var I starts with 0 and I is smaller than, oh yeah, I still need bar all, which is the, where is it? Ah, there we go. So over here, yep. Now, one thing that could be helpful is I'll just like copy this whole thing and then open up Notepad, because turns out Notepad has this like find and replace thingy. So we'll just come over here. There we go, should be good. Where is it? Did I? Where is Notepad? There we go. Oh, and now I opened 2 of them. Okay, yeah, fine. Paste it over here. Say edit, find and replace. In this case, instead of rec, is now bar. Why did not replace? Okay, bar all. And then from the looks of it, it looks pretty good. So cut it, back over here, paste it. There we go. Alright, from the looks of it, looks pretty good. Oh yeah, we still haven't get that. Oh lord. Okay, I'm gonna just come back over here and then just copy it back to this, paste it over here, and then edit, replace, rec to bar. Yep. Whoop. So bar all the way down, bar all the way down. Alright, good. Cut, and then paste it over here. There we go, that's more like it. And then now hit save. And now if we come down over here we can just say bar all the length. As long as it's smaller than that, then you're good. So over here what we can do is bar all, okay, get the style of it, and then the height is we have 200 pixels, right? That is our maximum height of it, right? Our bar is 200 pixels high. Alright, let's take a look at that. So 200 multiply by let's see, let's do again all int gain dot value. The value should be in between 0 and 1 or something like that, and then that should be good. So hit save. Now let's go back here. And then press equal sign. There we go. It did not show up. The bar is now missing. Can we? Alright, gain, let's see. Value. Can we like just simply get the value of it? Alright, fine, let's see. Whoop, whoop. And then we don't need that at the moment, don't need that at the moment. And then over here we say audio context gain node gain value. Like, okay, there we go. Oh, that looks more like it. The gain property of the gain node interface is an A rate, representing the amount of gain to apply. Not that helpful. Alright, I'm going to send this thing to ChatGPT and see what it says. So I'm just going to say how to fix the following code. Paste. High update rate. Yep. Extremely frequent. Significantly impact performance. Okay, yeah. I can turn down that. Maybe. We'll see. Lex of unit. Huh. Okay. So let's go 200 pixels. And then coming back over here. Specify the units. Inefficient iteration. True if all elements on every interval might not be necessary if updates are infrequent. Plus pixels. Huh. Okay. Whoop. And then plus pixels. There we go. Hit save. Anything else? 16. Let's go with maybe let's say 10. I don't know, hit save. Coming back over here, refresh. Equal sign. Okay. Now that is some progress. So there we go. Now we can just see it goes up and goes down. So that is attack and decay. So now this is actually quite wonky. So one way to fix it is to say now we have an empty bar. What we can do is let's just I'm going to cheat a little bit. So let's see. Where is it? Ah, over here. So over here I can just say copy this whole thing and then just like paste it over here. And over here I can just say, okay, it's a bar whatsoever, right? And then I can say, but the style of it. Okay. Now I'm just going to say the color is, well, you can't see it. So in this case, background color. Oh, okay. Background color is now this. Copy the same thing. Put it over here. Hit save. And then now, when we come back over here, let's refresh. Let's go with equal sign. There we go. It says there. Oh Lord. Um. Hmm. Alright. So this means that we also need other ways to like control the ADSR and all that stuff. So I'm thinking about BNM, comma, dot, and slash. Those will be the key controls, but I would say that's a little bit too much. So it somehow sort of works. And also, by the way, for safety, I'm going to say GAN volume is 0.25. I don't want to blast the ears every time. Let's see, what else? Also, I would say those who are having the bars, okay. Over here I would say style, align, baseline, fine, I'll say baseline, so I'll hit save. Alright, and then I'll come back over here, hit refresh, equal sign. There we go. So there we go. Now it sticks at the bottom, so that's good. That's actually a little bit odd, but I would say, But, well, I would say as long as you don't mess with ADSR, it works pretty fine. The moment when you start messing with ADSR, things becomes wonky. Alright, so let's go back here. Now we just have to figure it out how to like adjust the ADSR stuff. But just in case, there is no D over here, or in this case, decay. So, hmm. Over here, let's have it by 0. And then if we go back over here, there we go. Um, hmm. Over here, we already have, comma and dot. What else can we use? Like, we already used 1, 2, 3, and 4 already. Shall we really use BNM and then comma dot slash? You know, I think that's actually a pretty good idea. Let's do this. So now this means that the entire bottom row is now settings. So over here we have B. Over here I would say attack plus 1. And then copy this whole thing. Just in case, I'm gonna give them space so I can see what is going on. Otherwise, it's just a whole bunch of clumped up words. And that does not look good to me. B, N. So over here, B is attacked minus 1. N is attacked plus 1. Paste it over here. The next thing, BN, and then M. M is volume minus 1, and then comma is volume plus 1. Now, let's see. Comma. Next thing is dot. Dot is release minus 1. And then over here we'll have slash is release plus 1. So hit save. Now the only thing is we don't want those time values go negative. So let's just check. Whoop. Over here we will say else if event dot key is B. Over here we can say gan attack is gan attack minus 0.0. Let's just say 2. Yeah, this is like milliseconds or something. I don't know. Yeah, that looks like a good number. But let's just say we want to like clamp it in between 0 and this number. So over here we are just going to say max, which is math dot max. Math dot max. There we go. So we have that. After B, the next thing is N. So let's just copy this whole thing, paste it over here. In this case, again, attack is this thing plus, and then theoretically speaking, it's good. Like, you're fine. You don't have to worry about that. Excuse me. Oh, also, we also need to display what's the current situation. So, whoop, and whoop, and there we go. And then, oh boy, I have to say, this is a long one. Semitone, volume, and type. Over here, I will say attack or ATK. And then just copy this whole stuff. Paste it over here. Over here is release, REL. Paste it over here. There we go. Attack. Volume. Volume is now 0.25. Attack is now 0. Attack release is also now 0. Okay. Let's have them both 0 at the beginning or whatsoever. And then over here, yep, 0, 0. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Whoop. Whoop. Field. Oh yeah, I still haven't get those things yet. Where is it? Huh. Ah, there we go. So over here, we'll just go const field attack is document dot get element by ID. Let's have it field attack. Now the same thing, so let's just copy it for release. So 1, 2, 3 release is now, there we go, hit save. Now if we come back over here, whoop, so B over here, let's just copy this whole thing, whoop, attack, there we go, and then do the same thing, Control C, for, okay, after B is N. There we go. And then after N, we have M, which in this case, it's the volume stuff. The next thing is comma, which is volume plus. The next thing is very similar to gain. No, attack. There we go. And then I'll just paste it over here. After M, we have comma. After comma, we have dot. Dot is, there we go, release minus. So release, there we go, and then 1, 2, 3 real, over here release, there we go. Over here is attack, there we go, and then There we go. Volume release, and then this one after dot, which is actually slash. So over here it should be release. So tag. So over here, there we go. Now let's do the final check. Attack, 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 attack. Okay, yeah, it looks good. Vol, and then vol. Alright, that looks good. Release, release, release. Okay, good. Release. Aha, there we go. Release, and then release, release. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, those are the types. Alright, so that hits save. Now back to this. So refresh. Hit equal sign. There we go. So let's do like very simple stuff. But let's say right now I want release to go up. Let's say, oh boy, you can see IEEE is struggling over here. Alright, let's say the release is 0.5. Okay. Oh yeah, I should not have used 0.02. Of course, it will suffer from that. Alright, I'll change that. Yeah. Wait a second, now it feels like we're playing Minecraft now. We're playing Minecraft now! What was it called? Is it chirp? I don't know. Alright, that is actually amazing. Alright, so just in case, 0.02, not exactly a really good number. Well, let's go with 0.625. Yeah? Why that? Why 0.625? It's one of the powers of 2, so IEEE will not suffer from that. There we go. 625. Over here, 625. Over here, 625. There we go, hit save. And then once we come back over here, let's hit refresh. And then let's do equal sign. There we go. And then we will go with like very normal stuff. And then now let's just go with yep, there we go. Now it's pretty good now. How about we'll have a release of 1 second. So there we have that, which is actually oh boy, like this is actually really wonky. Oh wait, I haven't test attack yet. So attack. So let's just have an attack of also, let's say 1 second, and then let's see how it goes. That did not exactly work, so let's take a look at it. Well, at least we know all of these controls are actually pretty good right now, so let's turn them off. Alright. Let's see. Oh, also I just... Okay, I just tested. Now we are unable to change octaves and semitones, so we have to fix that right now. Before moving on. So, when we go C or V, we go with that, we go with that. Alright. We have the tone up, down, and the tone drop and fly. Yeah, we still need this. So let's just copy this whole thing. And then paste, 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 and then paste. And then hit save. Also, at the same time, yep, 200. Let's just say multiply by 1. Take this whole thing. There we go. Wait, no. What I'm trying to do over here is 200 is oh wait, I got an idea. Let's go with gan vol. So gan vol over here, multiply by that. Yep, that's more like it. So let's hit save. So this means when it's like fully pressed, it should be 200 instead of like getting limited by the vol. Or over here, gain.value is a number from 0 to 1. Or wait, no. Over here we should do this yan vol. So this is now a fraction. Yeah, that's more like it. Hit save. And then once we come back over here, let's hit this. Oh Lord! This does not look like 200 to me. What in the world? Let's hit equal sign. Okay, that looks more like it. Okay, so now let's just go with hmm. Okay, so at least we can use these bars to like monitor what's the level. Now the only sad thing is the attack is like nothing. So that's the only sad part. And let's see, how do we fix that? Or even if that can be fixed. So let's take a look. Key down. Yeah, we have all of that. Key up, whatever. So let's take a look at that. Which is this thing. In volume, that is our target. Current time, and again attack. Well, it's right there already. So linear ramp to value at time. Hmm. Oh boy. Well, I'm going to say, um, okay, wait. When we press, okay, and then we just stay there. But the problem becomes when we release it, how do we cancel this one? Hmm. Hmm. I think I have an idea, which might be a little bit cryptic. Alright, let's see if I can explain it by using this way. In this case, I'm just going to pull out Microsoft Paint. And also at the same time, while Paint is loading up, I'm gonna go get some pizza. So I'll be right back real quick. Damn it. Let's see. Oh, paint is ready. Alright, good. Before diving into deeper, let me just microwave my pizza. Let's see. Whoop. And then I'll go. There we go. And then we whoop. And then there we go. There we go. 1 minute should be good. There we go. Alright. Now, back to this. So if I were to like drop it over here, the way that I understand how that thing works is we have our oh boy, no, we have our y-axis, and then we have our x-axis as our time. So and then back over here, I'll just go with, where's the paintbrush? There we go. There goes our time, and then our volume. So basically, the main idea is the moment when we press the key. Let me go new layer, add one. There we go. Whoop. There we go. There we go. Whoop. Okay, so originally we are at 0 the moment when we press the key, and then now the current time is over here. So afterwards, sometime, this is actually our attack time, and it just goes up to the volume that we want, and it just ramps up over here. So I'm thinking, what happens if I press the key again over here? So what happens is, in the same thing over here, it just ramps up as well. And every time we do that, yeah, it's almost something like nothing. So let's just test that out. Ready? Oh boy, how? Okay, you know what? Instead of like guessing, I'm gonna just like check. How does ramp really works? So in this case, it would be audio contacts gain, no gain value, linear ramp. There we go. Method of audio param interface schedules a gradual linear change in the value of audio param. The change starts at the time specified for the previous event. Follows a linear ramp to the new value given in this, and reaches the new value at the time given. Over here, it does not say anything about like if it's in between those durations. Huh. Well, hmm. Alright, and just in case, my pizza is now ready, so I'm going to mute myself, but just in case, if you want anything in the chat, just type it, I can still see it, and I'm still here, so off I go. just in case, okay, quick thingy over here. Since this thing over here is not exactly doing the thing that we need to do, I would say we will have to use our own method. So instead of linear ramp, we just gonna say at the set interval over here, we will like keep on increasing or decreasing the gain until it reaches 0 or volume. That sounds more like it. And then this also means that for the key press detect thingy, we will say something like is pressed or is not pressed. So yeah, that's the change we need now. Okay. quick update over here. Now, GAN attack over here is now not time. It's the amount that we change. So typically saying if GAN attack is 0, this means you will never reach the thing that you want. we have it. It's just now we need to make the delta way smaller. But yeah, it should be good. of it. That is the ADSR I want, or we want in this case. Unlike the linear ramp that it is built in, this one is way more intuitive, I would say. So, yep, now we have that. think this is pretty good at the moment. So just in case, one thing, in this case, we do not need the console logs anymore. So yep, this one is gone, that one is gone, this one is gone. Alright, and I'm gonna hit save. Refresh. Or, fine, just a new page. Paste. Whoop. Inspect. And in this case, I don't want any filters on it. So just console lock everything. There we go. And then there we go. There we go. There we go. There we have it. So that's actually pretty good now. So this means that now I can finally upload this thing onto whatever we have. However, I'm like thinking, alright, maybe GitHub is better when it comes to hosting stuff like this. So I'm just going to check. There we go. GitHub pages. Yep, I remembered that. How to host a website on GitHub for free. Hell yeah, let's go. So let's take a look at this. Maybe you know what? Maybe I'm going to do it the Wix way. So this means that I'm going to like save all of these and then say file and then go and then let's save and then let's just turn this whole thing off. So now at this point we do not need paint, so we can like turn that off as well. Okay, so this means I can finally dump the previous version away and then re-zip the thing that we have. So let's compress to zip file. There we go, and then we can finally update that. So whoop, whoop. We don't need that. Tangle on keyhole. Okay, don't need that anymore. Don't need that anymore. Yep, there we go. And just in case, just to celebrate, hey, we finally did this. I'm going to play some of the tunes. Yeah. So this is now not just coding, it's now also music based. And just in case, if you request anything, I cannot guarantee that I know how to play it. No. Mm-mm. No. However, I might be able to improvise to it. Alright, just in case, my pizza it's not done yet, so I'm just going to mute myself and continue munching it. Yeah, I got caught up in a little bit of something, but there we go. Alright, let's get this thing. So there we have it. Now, okay, just let me finish one last bite of my pizza. There we go. It's actually cheese pizza from Papa John's, so that's actually pretty good. Um, yeah. So, case, the way that you can play with the thing that we have just created today is you go to Art, and then you scroll down, you go to the next page, and it's right here, keyboard. Hop. That should bring you to the one. There we have it. And then we just press equal. Yeah. Okay. Like that is a little bit undesirable, but at least it's not exactly that loud, so at least we're good. Alright, I'm going to mute myself, but at the same time playing stuff. So let's go. At this point, let's just play to some tunes. So there we go. So in this case, we'll just come over here and then boom, let's play to some of our own tracks. And I can assure you that we're not going to get copyrighted because guess what? I made all of this. So DMCA, if you want to DMCA me, no, not gonna do that because if you happen to do that, that will contradict with logic. So here we go. Wait, hold up a second. I just want to check if there's any audio at all on the stream side, so let me check. Let me see. Alright. Alright, so there we go. Yes, there is audio, so that's good. Let's start all over again. In this case, I'm not going to play to the original tune. Instead, I'm going to play the one which inspired me to make the current track that we're having right now. There we have it. What's on the list? Let's take a look. What's on the list? Oh, yep, my favorite. Let's go. Let's go. I found a new skill. There we go. Like, to be honest, this is actually quite fun to play with, though. Like, you know, we just go. And then most of the time, you know, I'll definitely just play. Yeah. Like, most of the time, I'll just simply play that. But yeah, whatever works. Oh, let's go. Okay, maybe I should have. There we go. Let's start all over again. Yep. Okay, that's a little bit. Okay, the release is a little bit too slow, so I'm going to bump it up. There we go, perfect. There we go. There we go. That is like a mashup or whatsoever. Um, let's see, what else? The rest of them are just actually just like pretty basic stuff. Oh, now, just in case, quickly, let's mention something. Like you might be thinking, all right, fine, these are all the white keys. Oh boy, too loud. Let me just in case set it down to a quarter, which is 0.25. There we go, and then so one thing that we can definitely know is if we just play like A, S, D, F, whatever, right? These are in major scale. Just in case, I'm going to I'm going to have a little bit of tail over here. So there we go. There we go. That's more like it. So this is major, and then for minor we just go. Okay, here's the thing. If we want to like go from major to minor, we just play the major key first. But the third and the sixth and the seven go down a flat. So in the end you will have now some of the music teachers out there will say no, the 7 stays up there. Well, in this case that will be harmonic minor. What I have over here is natural minor. So yeah. And then most of the time, also just let me bump up. So one day I was like trying like figure it out what are the other scales we have, and I ended up with this. So we have that scale as well. Not quite sure if it's Arabic scale or Egyptian. I don't know, but whatever works. And then, yeah, there are more scales. Dorian, Locrian, whatever. Whole bunch of them. So yeah, just to quickly recap, what do we have here? We can have octave up, octave down, which is Z and X, and semitone down and semitone up, which is C and V. Attack, volume, and release are all controlled by BN, M, dot slash. Okay, so this also means that everything in the lower bottom of the keyboard is now settings. You want to change the type of it, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, we have our sign. And then we have triangle. And then we have sawtooth. And then finally, we have my favorite, square. So yeah, there we have it. And then, yep, it's now on our website now. So yeah, There we go. And I would say, it's a pretty good point to like stop right here. So yeah, just in case if you've been like watching this to the very end, thanks for watching. When will I stream again? Not quite sure, but yeah, I'll see what I can work on. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye bye. Oh wait, I should do it this way. There we go. I'll see you again next time. Yeah, I see you next time. Bye bye.